Inside your head is the most powerful computer on Earth, your brain. It holds your memories, your feelings, your personality, and even the way you see the world. But how do we study something so complex? That's where neuroscience comes in. What is neuroscience? It is the study of the nervous system, your brain, your spinal cord, and the web of nerves that connect your body. But here's the cool part. It's not just one subject. Neuroscience brings together biology, how cells and organs work, psychology, how we think and behave, medicine, how to treat brain disorders, computer science and AI, building machines inspired by the brain, and even philosophy, asking big questions about the mind. It's like a team project, with many sciences working together to understand one big mystery. You. Neuroscience is important because it shapes almost every part of life. Knowing ourselves, it explains how we learn, remember, feel emotions, and make decisions. Health. It helps doctors treat conditions like Alzheimer's, epilepsy, or depression. Education. Brain science shows us better ways to teach and learn. Technology. Artificial intelligence and brain-computer interfaces are built from ideas in neuroscience. Society. It even changes how we think about free will, identity, and responsibility. Imagine you touch a hot pan. Before you even think about it, your hand pulls back. That's your nervous system at work. Your skin senses heat, your nerves send signals, your spinal cord reacts instantly, and your brain says, "Ouch, don't do that again." That split-second chain of events is pure neuroscience, and it's happening inside you all the time. So in simple words, neuroscience is the study of how the brain and nervous system shape our identity. It matters because it helps us stay healthy, learn better, build new technologies, and understand ourselves more deeply.